Big up.
Big up.
Shiloh graduation.
Shiloh, yeah, come on.
Yeah, man, we're there at Shiloh graduation. You know what I mean? Congratulations, Shiloh.
Yeah.
College next.
Sorry, Seb.
Congratulations, Shiloh. You're a great person. You was born to be great.
So, Anna, let's take a bunch of pictures. Motion. While they're laughing. Motion.
That's so cute. This is what's going on at Shiloh graduation. You have anything to say? At Shiloh's grad?
Congratulations, honey. Can't believe you're graduating high school. It was just the other day you were 7 and just talking your ears off. Look at you now.
Big old tall boy there.
You have anything to say, Shiloh graduation?
Best graduation, hear that.
Congrats, Shiloh.
Shiloh, keep it up. You
Girlfriend.
did it. Keep it up.
Roland, you have nothing to say?
Yeah, thank you guys for coming.
Shiloh graduation.
Subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Subscribe to graduation Chamberlain 2024 graduation party.
And at its creation.
No, just Shiloh, a family video.
And Andre Sensation.
Say something to yourself.
And Seppi Vibration.
Love you so much.
Hey, listen, we got special guests
And
from New York.
And Shower Infinity.
Straight out of the Bronx.
Pretty streets of the NYC.
We just
Straight out about Marley Boulevard, Corville Garden.
You did it!
Shy. You have anything to say?
It was so hard, and I'm done now.
Hooray!
We're not allowed to. They said no.
Video it.
I saw that.
You have anything to say? Congrats.
Thank you. I'm so proud of you, and you're going to do so good. I'm so proud of you, and you're going to have so much fun at Tasty.
Congrats. You have anything to say?
I feel great, and I can't wait to room with Shiloh at college.
Yay! All right, good.
Yes, our decorating style was about the college that Shiloh is going, SCAD. Their mascot is a bee, so we were going with the beehive theme, like it's a pink beehive, that background, and that's why we were using all those little bumblebee stuff. Yep, that's what the theme was, guys. So enjoy. Guys, sorry about my voice. I have bad allergies. So anyways, most of the little trinkets, like the little bottles on the table and stuff like that, I made them, and the stuff that's hanging, me and Shallow make those bottles. Yes, these gift bottles right here. And we put the little certificate inside of it. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Which is right. Get it right, man.
I'm very proud of all of y'all, and wish you nothing but best.
Thank you.
Which is right. Yeah. That one. One twice.
And the work just start.
Say anything for Shiloh. Huh? They must say congratulations. I said
Congratulations, Shiloh. And I give Shiloh her gift. I haven't seen her in a long time. I wish her all the best in life and future endeavor. All right.
Which lens am I being?
Shiloh, where your friend there, tall guy?
Chestnut?
He's not gone home. He's saying already if you go home.
I'm alright.
Yo, top flagger. Need a lot of it.
Right here, right now?
Yeah, why not? Let's see what you get. Let's see what you will. You want to open it.
This will be coming to the dorm with me.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks soft.
Really big one.
Mattress protector.
That's a bed bug on this.
Waterproof protection.
Nice.
Waterproof.
Yeah, I don't know. You're not going to do one mattress.
No bad bug. No bad bug. No bad
And
bug.
storage bin.
You're ready.
Which I
You're
need.
ready.
Whoa. Oh God. No, it's
Oh, your
not.
nail. Oh, sorry.
That's not funny.
Think I'll feel that.
Couple years from now. Them kind of
Go on, Manny, go on.
Money go now.
Shadow, them on the tall though,
Take
right?
it seriously.
They're outgrown.
Go on for your chin.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.